Today we're cooking barbecue pulled pork smashburgers on a Kamado.
Hi, I'm Martin and I'm passionate about cooking outdoors. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. Today we're going to be cooking pulled pork smashburgers. So I've got some leftover barbecued pulled pork and homemade coleslaw from yesterday's cook. So today I'm going to use the leftovers to pimp up my smashburgers.
So let's get the dragon breathing and get set up. Add the half moon grill plate and a standard grill. So first of all, let's toast our buns while the grills are clean. And when we're happy with them, take them off the grill. And when the grill plate is around 200°C, it's time to smash. Press down and get them nice and flat. Now I've got my homemade barbecue sauce and we're going to start warming it up on the grill. Don't let it get too hot as the sugar in the sauce will burn. And while the sauce is warming up, let's get some SPG on the patties. Then we'll get our pulled pork into the sauce. Give it a good stir and get it all mixed up. Then flip the patties. Then add a slice of American cheese to each patty and give the pork another stir. That sauce has now taken on a lovely colour and you can really smell the flavours coming through. And then when the cheese has melted enough, it's time to build the burgers. Firstly, add a 50-50 mix of mayonnaise and Dijon mustard. Then add some shredded iceberg lettuce. Then take the patties off the grill and add them to the burgers. Then add the pulled pork and barbecue sauce. You want enough so that it gets all over your face when you eat it. Then add a good layer of homemade coleslaw. Top off with some cheeky jalapenos and get ready to serve. And there you have it, barbecue pulled pork smashburgers.
Oh, that is absolutely gorgeous.
Jesus, are we on? Hi, I'm Martin and I'm passionate about cooking outdoors. If you're new to the channel, I've got leftover pork. Oh, bollocks. Jesus Christ. Hold the camera there. Still. Yeah?